we wish to take.
The State Cabinet today approved renaming of the Department of Labour as Department of Labour, Employment and Skill Development. Addressing media persons, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the Labour Department is also looking at other aspects of employment and many aspects of skill development. Meanwhile, the State Cabinet today also approved the amendment of the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. Chief Minister Sangma said last year the Act was also amended, and this is done because the Government of India has allowed different state governments to increase their budget borrowing based on reforms taken by specific states on an annual basis.
As you are aware that even last year this particular act was amended, and this is done because obviously Government of India has allowed different state governments to increase the budget borrowing based on reforms that are taken by specific states on an annual basis. And this year again, based on the power reforms that we are taking, there will be 0.5% increase in the budget borrowing that is allowed, and that annually it has to be amended.
Education Minister Rakam